Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best whiskey sets is probably one of the most sophisticated and appreciated gifts a man can receive, offering a complete experience for the discerning drinker, from the finest glassware designed to enhance aroma and taste to essential accessories that elevate the ritual of enjoying a good dram, making it a truly memorable present for any occasion, whether it's a birthday, anniversary, or just a thoughtful gesture to show someone you care about their refined tastes and appreciation for the finer things in life. Number 5. Godinger Whiskey Decanter Globe Set. Looking for the perfect gift for the man in your life? This elegant decanter set is sure to impress, making any occasion special. Hand-blown with an etched globe design and an antique ship, this dispenser enhances your drinking experience. It's a bold statement piece for any bar. This patented set includes a stunning decanter and 2 matching old-fashioned glasses, all fitted on a beautiful stained wood tray. The gold stopper adds a final touch of class. With an 850 ml capacity for the decanter and 300 ml for each glass, it's perfect for spirits. It's also great for serving water, juice, or iced tea. More than just drinkware, this set is a fantastic conversation starter at any gathering. It's a gift that keeps on giving. From a brand trusted since 1973, this handcrafted piece reflects a commitment to quality. Find the perfect item for any special occasion with Godinger. What we like. This decanter set features an elegant globe design with an antique ship inside, making it a stunning centerpiece. If you're looking to impress guests or add a touch of sophistication to your home bar, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for those who appreciate fine craftsmanship and a unique aesthetic for their spirits. What people say. The glasses are heavy and feel substantial in your hand, not thin and cheap. The wooden box is a nice touch and makes it feel like a premium gift. The whiskey stones are a great addition, they keep the drink cold without diluting it. Number 4. Do your whiskey DIY infusion set. Tired of the same old whiskey? Our DIY infusion kit lets you create unique flavor combinations. It comes with everything you need to get started, including wood chips, botanicals, and whiskey stones. Why settle for ordinary when you can have extraordinary? Craft your own signature whiskey with our selection of all-natural botanicals and wood chips. You can even create custom labels for your unique creations. Looking for a unique gift for the man who has everything? This bartender kit is perfect for any occasion, from Father's Day to birthdays. It's a thoughtful and creative present for the man who thinks outside the box. Enjoy your whiskey guilt-free with our eco-friendly infusion set. It's 100% recyclable, plastic-free, and handcrafted in the US. Plus, our kits are climate neutral, so you can sip sustainably. Craft your signature spirit in just 2 weeks and guarantee a good time. Please note that alcohol is not included in the kit. Get ready to impress your friends with your homemade creations. What we like. This kit allows you to become your own mixologist, infusing spirits with unique flavors. If you enjoy experimenting and creating personalized drinks, this is for you. It's perfect for the adventurous drinker who wants to craft their signature whiskey. What people say. Reusable and numerous combinations can be created. There are a ton of different combinations you can create, and the packaging is really nice. They loved all the botanicals, especially the bird's eye chili. She started crafting right away and cannot wait to taste her creations. Number 3. PONPUR Whiskey Stone Set. Searching for the ideal gift for the man in your life? Whether it's for a birthday, anniversary, or Christmas, this unique present is sure to bring a smile to his face. For the man who has everything and loves his whiskey, this cool gadget is a must-have. Its unique design is sure to impress any enthusiast. More than just a gift, it's a statement piece. With its retro and chic wood barrel design, it adds a touch of classic decor to any man cave. Enhance his favorite spirits with these chilling stones. They keep your drink perfectly cold without diluting a single drop, ensuring a pure taste. This set is a thoughtful investment that you won't regret. It's the perfect way to show appreciation for the special man in your life. We stand by our product. If you're not completely satisfied with your purchase, we're here to help ensure your happiness. What we like. These whiskey stones offer a classic way to chill your drink without dilution. If you're a purist who wants to enjoy their whiskey at the perfect temperature, these are a great option. They are especially suitable for those who appreciate a touch of retro decor for their man cave. What people say. My husband loves these for his whiskey and bourbon as they keep his drink cold without dilution. Very unique. Great quality and keeps things from getting watered down. Perfect stocking stuffer for my husband. He loved them. They are very nice looking and come in a cool little bag and barrel. Number 2. PONPUR Globe Whiskey Decanter Set. Looking for a special gift? This decanter set, with its engraved globe design, adds a touch of class to any home bar. Enjoy your favorite spirits the way they were meant to be tasted. More than just a dispenser, this is a piece of art. Admire the detailed antique ship and the beautifully etched world map glasses as you pour. It's a hand-blown masterpiece. This complete set includes a lead-free globe decanter, wooden tray, stopper, funnel, 2 etched glasses, and 2 whiskey stones. No more ice diluting your drink. Make any occasion memorable with this thoughtful gift. It's perfect for Christmas, Valentine's Day, birthdays, or anniversaries. Celebrate life's fine moments with it. With a decanter capacity of 850 milliliters and glass capacity of 230 milliliters, this set is designed for enjoyment. If you're not completely satisfied, we'll ensure your happiness with your purchase. What we like. This premium set combines an artistic globe decanter with innovative whiskey chiller balls for a pure taste. If you want a sophisticated drinking experience without ice dilution, this set is an excellent choice. It's perfect for gifting to someone who appreciates both style and substance in their barware. What people say. The design is very elegant and eye-catching, perfect for a home bar or office display. The glass feels thick and durable, not fragile or lightweight like other models. The design is eye-catching and the set is very useful. The quality is great and it looks amazing on display. Made perfectly, the design and cute little ship inside are so fascinating. A showstopper, purchased as a retirement gift for a family friend. I know he's going to appreciate it. It's packed so carefully in a thick hard foam that holds it in place just right. Number 1. Bourbon and Whiskey Barrel-Aged Coffee Box Set. Discover a unique coffee experience with our barrel-aged collection. Each blend offers a distinct taste profile, aged to perfection for your enjoyment. Explore 4 carefully selected roasts, each infused with the essence of fine spirits. From Bourbon Colombian to Rum Barrel Rwanda, there's a flavor for every palate. Our coffee is roasted and barrel-aged with meticulous attention to detail. This process unlocks complex aromas and rich, smooth flavors you won't find anywhere else. This sampler set is ideal for those who appreciate the finer things in life. Elevate your morning ritual with these exceptional, spirit-infused coffees. Looking for a unique gift? This box set is a thoughtful present for any coffee lover. Share the extraordinary taste of barrel-aged coffee with someone special. Each 4-ounce bag is conveniently ground, ready for your preferred brewing method. Enjoy the rich, nuanced flavors without any extra preparation. What we like. This set offers a unique coffee experience, aged in barrels that previously held spirits. If you're a coffee lover looking for an adventurous new taste, this sampler is a must-try. It's perfect for those who enjoy exploring complex and nuanced flavors in their morning brew. What people say. The first thing he mentioned was how incredibly strong the whiskey aroma is. It smells so bold that he was actually concerned about drinking it before work. If you enjoy a strong whiskey aroma and likely a bold whiskey-infused flavor, then this set is probably perfect. It makes a unique and memorable gift, and even though the fragrance might surprise you, it is allegedly totally fine to drink without any worry about alcohol content. He says the flavors of the bourbon and the aged oak were present, as was a hint of caramel and cherry. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.